Let's talk about enum types in TypeScript from the perspective of a C# developer. In C#, if you wanted to do an enum, you would do enum substatus, for example, and we'd do this as unknown, curious, subscribed, not subscribed, like so. We'd say that the substatus is substatus.subscribed, and we do console.writeLine, and we'll cast the substatus to an int so we can show what number has been assigned. We can run the application and we'll see that it is assigned a 2. Over in TypeScript land, it is actually strangely familiar. It is almost, well, the syntax is pretty much the same. So we do unknown, curious, subscribed, like so. We can then do let substatus is substatus.subscribed, and we can do console.log substatus. Now when we run this in TypeScript, by default it comes up with a number. You don't have to cast it to an int. But what number does it use? Obviously it's using the same rules as C#, where it does 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we set this to 10, set this over on TypeScript to 10 as well, and run the app again, we can see that the result is the same, 12 and 12. With C#, if we wanted to get the string representation to send out to console.writeLine, we'd remove the cast, like so. Now it says subscribed. In TypeScript, there is a secret array accessor that has been added to the enum type itself. So if we do substatus and use the integer to access it, and run the app again, it now says subscribed. Cheers.